Hello, my name is Nolan Reese, and today I'm going to show you how to play my song Come Again. This song's tutorial is well overdue, but for a while I've been focused on putting out music, but now it's time to actually show people who've been asking how to play this song. And good news is if you learned how to play my song Broken from that tutorial, you basically know how to play this song because I think I pretty much use the same exact chords from that song in this one. So let's start out with the rhythm part. So your rhythm guitar, you're going to be in standard tuning, and the intro part is, well, my knowledge of chords has somehow gotten worse the more I've been playing. But you're gonna go, or how I play this chord is your middle finger, second string, or on your A string, second fret, your ring finger, D string, second fret. That's the chord it should be, and you're just gonna cycle through. You're gonna go D to A to your G string. Once you get that down, the next part is going to be open A string, your ring finger, second fret of the D string, and then your pointer finger, first fret of the B string. And you're going to cycle the same way. The cycle is basically like middle, low, high. Once that part is done, the next part is going to be your ring finger, third fret of the A string, middle finger, second fret of the D string, everything else open. And you're going to cycle that high note, or that last note is your open B string. And then for the last chord in that progression, I don't know what it's called, but I'm just going to show you how to play it. I play it middle finger, second fret of the A string, pointer finger, first fret of the D string, ring finger, second fret of the G string. And you're going to go low to high, high back up. And on that way back up, you're just going to stop again. You're going to go low, down, up. I can show the picking through here. Hopefully that makes sense. But once you got that, the whole part should sound like. Mistakes and all, but that's basically what's playing during the verse parts. I guess since there's no singing, I don't know if I should call them verses, but they're verses to me. The next part with the clean guitar is going to be the chorus part. And it's really just these two parts, and you basically learn everything with your clean guitar on how to play it. So for the chorus part of the song, the clean guitar should sound like this. Alright, so to go through that, you're gonna do ring finger on the A string, 3rd fret, middle finger, 2nd fret on D string, everything else open, and you're gonna cycle through. And from there, you're gonna take that same shape and just move it up one string. So your ring finger should be 3rd fret on the E string, middle finger 2nd fret on the A string. Then after that, you're gonna go middle finger 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger 2nd fret of the G string, and first finger 1st fret, pointer finger 1st fret on the B string. And then you just end up going back to the beginning chord. So hopefully if I play this right, it should sound like. Oh, it sounds really beautiful now that I play it, just without anything else. So that's it for the clean guitar. Next, I'm going to show you how to play the soloing guitar part. Okay, so time for the, I guess, soloing guitar or distorted guitar, however you want to name it. Good thing I'm not super technical with how I make solos. It's kind of just melodies that I like and come up with in my head or vocally, and then I just translate them on guitar. Hence why I'm not good at reading the fretboard or knowing what chords I'm actually playing. Everything just really comes from my head. So the solo in the beginning sounds like. So I'll play that one more time, and it'll be this view, hopefully closer with my fingers. I don't know if I should go through each step that I take. Hopefully the video of my fingers playing it is enough for people to see how I'm playing that part. But I'll play it one more time, hope slower, so people could see how my fingers are moving and what notes I'm hitting. Because again, sadly, off the top of my head, I don't know what notes I am hitting. I just know how to play it. So that's the beginning part of the solo guitar. The next part is actually, I think, where most people get tripped up because it is played differently than I think any other solo I've done. So that part, if I get a close up onto it, should be finger tapping. That's where we're going with this one. So you're gonna finger tap uh, on your E string. We're going 12th fret, 12th fret with your pointer finger on your right hand. No more pick. Well, or if you want, you can hold the pick like I would do if I were to perform this live. You're gonna go tap on the 12th fret of your E string and then hold your pointer finger on the E string on the 7th fret. So that in between part, you're just bringing your ring finger on your left hand and you're tapping the 10th fret of the E string in between. So and after that part, you're going to hold that ring finger position on the 10th fret and then you're going to point or you're going to finger tap the 14th fret of the E string and then the 15th fret of the E string. So in, I guess, real time, it should look like or sound like. So that actually repeats at the end of the song as well. So once you learn this part here, you're basically good. And the only other part we need to learn is the second verse for the solo guitar. Now the second verse part for the solo guitar is basically a play off the first. I don't think I did anything crazy different here. Just added a few parts. It was kind of like a callback song more than anything where the parts just build on top of each other. And it should go like this. Okay, I make mistakes still. But I'm going to play that even slower. Again, this is something where it would take forever for me to just go through note by note since I don't know the notes. So I'm going to play it as slow as I can and hopefully show you, well, by watching my hands, you can pick up what notes I'm playing. So once you get that part down, it's plug and play at that point. Just plug in the parts where they should be, and that's basically how to play Come Again for guitar. The bass part is pretty fun, but most people don't ask for bass tabs. If that's what people want, please let me know in the comments below. And any other suggestions for songs that I've made, let me know as well, so I can make tutorials for them if people want to play them. I appreciate all the support and all the listens and interest in my music. Something that I never thought would be possible or would happen to me. But please subscribe and be lookout for more music because seems like I release a lot every year. Hopefully another album later this year, but I have an EP coming in March as well. So be on the lookout for that. Please check out my other songs and let me know in the comments below what other songs of mine you'd be interested in learning. Thank you for all the support, and I'll see you around.